Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Poppo Live refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. Poppo Live especially recommends at least 500 megabytes of free storage just to run smoothly. So firstly, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then make sure that you have sufficient storage. Tap offload app on a few large apps you do not often use, which removes the app but it keeps its documents and data. Also check that photos and messages, since large photos and libraries and old messages or attachments are common hidden hogs. Once you've freed up at least 500 megabytes to a full gigabyte, go back to the App Store and try reinstalling or updating the iPhone app completely. Then, if the error proceeds even with free space, restart your iPhone completely, since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage. And that's it. All you gotta do is free up at least 500 megabytes in your iPhone storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. Poppo Live installs and runs cleanly. Subscribe.